and I'm a security guard at Old Parliament House, and I've been here 14 years. So the first time I seen one in here, I only worked here probably about a month. At night, we have the sound of stilettos that come across from this corner over into this corner over here. Now, we try to catch it out so many times, but they're just too fast for us. Over here on the south-east wing, at night, that window can be shut 3 or 4 times a night. It opens, we close it, we come back up this corridor, it opens again. We don't know who opens it, but we have to close it all the time. This corridor here, as you're walking around, you'll hear these footsteps that'll come beside you, and we always stop and say to whoever it is, you're going to walk with us or go away. Next minute, all the footsteps just start going away. This is another area that we have a bit of trouble with at times. You can come walking out of there, get into this area here, and it'll be really cold, icy at times. Next minute, you walk straight out of it, and it's back to normal temperature. This staircase here, we have some familiar noises at times, like a metal cup running across. Don't know what it is. It only comes out probably a couple of times a year. This is the House of Reps chamber, and to walk through here at midnight or 1 o'clock in the morning is quite scary. When we come through, we always rattle the keys because you get a presence that there's someone sitting in here somewhere, and it's quite scary. We also had a cleaner years ago, and she always said that there was a gentleman sitting up in the back benches which would always call out her name, and she named him Malcolm. And people might like the building and want to come back here. It's nice and warm in the winter anyway. Oh, they probably walk the corridors and sit in the chambers and live up the old days.